Okay, so I'm gonna teach you guys how. Ow, puppies on my lap. Keep bugging me. I'm gonna teach you guys simple how to get rare, kind of. Because if you can't tell already, I am not very rare. I mean, I have a Warren, but I don't have anything good, except for I do have the whole set of this, so yeah, I don't have my dad too. So, yeah. Anyway, I have a huge diamond, just got this, and I'm still making that, but yeah, one of my buddies is on. So today we're going to be doing the Do You Trust Me challenge, and I'm hoping I can get somebody to trust me. Yeah, so let's do this. Okay, this person is my buddy, actually. Oh, great. So right there. My then if you trust me, I'm really recording. Oh my goodness, let me pause till I get somebody. One sec. People do? Oh, thank you. This is my first video. I'm scared. Laugh out loud. Yes. I'll tell you then. Oh, she just said wow. So would you trust me? Oh my goodness, this is funny. I wonder if she'll go off and watch this because. So would you trust me? Okay, then send best item. I'll send that. Oh my goodness, it says I'm scamming. Okay, this is not exactly really nice. What, giveaway? Does she want something? I don't know. She has a cool list. I'm actually, honestly, that's awesome. I don't know what that is. Okay, no, you don't do that. Anyway, so I was set to just seeing this. Okay. Are you... Also, I'm gonna buddy her because... No, she's not accepting buddy requests. Oh, I'm just like really good. Oh yeah, somebody earlier, I don't know, this person, okay, I said I was recording, and I wasn't actually, I forgot, I didn't know. Oh, congrats. Oh, okay, people, she trusted me with her spike. Okay, let's go ahead and gift back the spike, because we said we would, and, I mean, I said I would, not we. Yeah, this person said, yeah, if you're recording, this means you're rare, so give me back a spike. I don't have a spike, I'm sorry, person. Oh, hula skirt. Comment down below if you know what that is. Okay, so let me put bad. I think she's kind of cool, don't you? I think she's kind of cool. Oh, bad is on. Okay. Bad on. Yes. I do though, because scamming is wrong, people. You don't scam people. I'm for real recording. I'm a she. Don't be worried. Scamming is just mean, people. I would not do that. Okay. Yes, this is so perfect for this moment. I don't know. I feel like I need something to lighten up the mood. I get my own bunny throne. That makes me seem like I have a cool mood, right? Like, hey, I have a bunny throne. I'm gonna sit. Oh, dang, people. That is a spike. Put that on. Okay. Here, that rug isn't actually it is. It says beta, but I don't know how much it's really worth. Want to trade back? Shoot. Is that on? Okay, I need to check down. Put that on. Which is bad. Okay, I got it, people. I'm getting it together. Oh my goodness, she said necklace. Okay, there we go. And I guess I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys for watching this new vid. And I'm going to be making more soon.